So like I said on my previous video, I was going to show you how to make Korker ribbon from a piece of 1 centimetre thick grosgrain ribbon. It's nice and easy. So basically all you need is the ribbon of your colour of choice, scissors, 2 wooden pegs. Don't use plastic because they will melt. You are using the oven for this. A baking tray covered in silver foil and dowels. Depending on what thickness corker you'd like is depending on what dowel you use. So the thinner dowel will give you the thinner corker and the thicker dowel will give you the thicker corker. So what we do, it's easier to seal your ribbon first. So you just pop it on the top of your dowel, place a peg over that just to hold it in place, and then start to turn. Now if you would like your corker to have this gap between each twirl, then on your dowel you need to leave a gap between each one. If you prefer your corker to be tight and not to have that gap, then you need to push the ribbon up so there is no gap on show. Now for mine, I would like a gap on this one, so I just leave that gap and twirl the dowel all the way down till you get to the bottom. And it's a lot easier to use 1 centimetre thick ribbon or anything smaller. If it's a bit bigger it will look a bit odd. It's doable, just a bit chunkier. And then once you get to the bottom you need your scissors just to cut it at an angle and then get that peg and peg it on. And then you do all the ones that you want to do. Get your baking tray and place them all on. Now dowels need to obviously fit in the oven, so make sure you've checked the size of your dowel before you obviously put your ribbon on. Put as many on the baking tray as you can, and then they go into the oven at gas mark 5 for 25 minutes. And then once they're done and cooled, you can then take the pegs off and start to just manoeuvre that ribbon so it can come off the dowel. There we go. And that should slide off nice and easy. It won't lose its shape, so you can be a bit forceful, it's fine. There we go. And that is how you make Korker ribbon at home. A lot cheaper than buying Korker ribbon off of eBay or anything like that. It just saves you money in the long run. It's a little bit of work, but if it's only for you as a hobby or making your own hair bows, then it's a lot easier. So give that a go, let me know what you think. If you do want to see anything in particular, just drop me a message and I'll do my best. Thank you very much.